Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to rename a form in MailerLite, a quick but genuinely useful skill that keeps your account tidy when you're juggling multiple campaigns, landing pages, or subscriber flows. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. The first thing you'll do is log into your MailerLite account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Forms. This takes you straight to a list of every form you've created, so everything you need is right in front of you. Now scan that list and find the form you want to rename. Take a moment to double check you've got the right one, especially if you have several forms that look similar. It's a small habit that saves you from accidentally editing the wrong thing and wondering later why your sign-up flows are mislabeled. Once you've confirmed the correct form, click the three-dot menu icon that appears next to it. That little icon is where most of the per form actions live. From the drop-down that appears, select Rename. MailerLite will open a small input field showing the form's current name ready for you to edit. Go ahead and clear out the old name, either delete it entirely or simply highlight it and start typing. Then enter your new form name. This part matters more than it might seem. A descriptive name that reflects the form's actual purpose, like newsletter sign-up, blog footer, or free guide lead magnet, makes your workspace far easier to navigate as your list of forms grows. Vague names like Form 3 inches will haunt you 6 months from now, so be specific while you have the chance. With your new name typed in, click whichever confirmation button MailerLite presents. It may say Save, Rename, or Confirm, depending on the version you're using. Give it just a second to process the update, then cast your eyes back to the forms list and confirm that your new name is showing correctly. If it is, you're done, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully renamed a form in MailerLite, and your account is just a little bit more organized for it. Clean labeling is one of those small disciplines that compounds over time, and now you've got it locked in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.